So you've brought your flashy new Stream Deck, but if you're scratching your head about setting it up, you're in luck. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can set up your Stream Deck so you can get up and running in no time. So once you've unboxed your new Stream Deck, you've connected it to your computer, you will see that it doesn't really do much. It doesn't really light up. All you might see are just black buttons. Now to fix that, what you have to do is set it up with the Elgato Stream Deck software. Now to do that, we're just going to go to our web browser and head over to Elgato's website, which in this case would just be elgato.com. Let's wait for the page to start loading up. This is where you will see everything. Head over to the download section right here. And now you will be able to see all of Elgato's different softwares, wave center controlling, video capture, so on and so forth. We are interested in this one. So Stream Deck version 6.7.2. You can see which of the Stream Decks it's compatible with right here. So it's basically compatible with every Stream Deck ever. We can use it with the pedal, with the mini, with the neo, whatever. So we're just going to go ahead and click on this download button. It will ask for your email. You can avoid this by clicking this continue with download button, and your download will start right here. This will download an MSI file, and we are going to go ahead and download it and double click to run the package and install Stream Deck. So now that you've installed Stream Deck, it will automatically start running and your Stream Deck should appear with some buttons on it. If you go to your system tray icon, you will see this icon pop up, which is what launches the Stream Deck program. You will see your currently connected Stream Deck or your currently connected mobile device if you're using the Stream Deck mobile app. And you will see your currently active profile. And that is pretty much all the setting up that you need to do when it comes to installing or sort of setting up your Stream Deck. From this point onwards, you have multiple actions that you can set up. So if let's say if I go to page number 3 and I create a new page by clicking this, nope, did the wrong thing. Yeah, if I create a new page by clicking this button, you now see that I have an empty template right here, and your Stream Deck will also sort of mirror that. So now at this point you can just start dragging and dropping icons from your plugins that you've installed, your media controls, if you have the Slack things, navigation, so you can create folders, switch between pages, you can have a page indicator there. You can have multi-actions. So what multi-actions do, they basically allow you to combine multiple actions from across all the different plugins that you have into a single button press. So this means that I can have my Stream Deck play an audio and increase its brightness, and then switch a profile, then go to sleep. If that's a very weird sequence of actions, but if you want to do it, you could. Then you can go back and then we can just press that button and all of this will start happening. There is also a degree of customization with every button that you use. So for example, if let me just add a better action that I can indicate. So custom IFTTT Slack OBS system. Yeah, okay, let's talk about hotkey switch. So hotkey switch is an action that will allow you to toggle between two different hotkeys, and it will show you the status as you see. Now in terms of actions, what you get is so first of all, before we take a deep dive into how these things are supposed to run, I need to change my profile. So at this point in time, you should automatically start playing with whatever options there are available in here. You will find basic options like sort of your media navigations right here. You will find system controls such as multimedia, so you can play, pause music and add different options in that regard. So let me just go back to my default profile to show you how this works. So yeah, you can have different actions like previous track, next track, increase or decrease volume. So you should really just go around and start playing with the different keys and the different plugins that you have available to you at this point in time. There is also a certain sort of amount of not upgradability. There's also a certain amount of customization that you get with each button. So of course you can select whatever button you want to customize and then come back here, and then you can add a title to the button. So as you see, as soon as I type play here, the play text appears on my Stream Deck as well. And then of course you can change different settings for the text. So you can hide or show the title, you can change its location, you can reset it to default, you can change the font size to whatever you want, font to whatever you want, you can increase or decrease the font size, bold, underline text, and then of course the text color. Other than that, if you want to change this icon, you have two options. So you can either click this down arrow and then you can set a new icon from file, create a new icon, or open the Steam Deck icon library. Alternatively, if you click this plus icon, it will directly open your icon library. So this saves all of the downloaded icons that you already have. As you can see, I have a bunch of icons already installed here. So I have this Duotone Essentials Red icon pack that I use. You can also use Elgato's brand icons, the default light and the legacy icons. And then you can download more sort of icon packs from Elgato's marketplace. In this case, I have this animated GIF pack. So if I wanted my play pause button to look like Pac-Man eating beads, I could do that. And now it's a Pac-Man eating beads on my actual Stream Deck. And of course, pressing this button will still retain its functionality. So once you're done setting up the basics, what you can do is you can extend the functionality for Stream Deck by downloading plugins and profiles. Let me just switch back to my OBS profile real quick. So in order to do this, what you have to do is click on this button that takes you to the Elgato marketplace in your default browser. We'll give this a second to open up, and here we are. So at this point in time, you can find plugins that integrate your Stream Deck with a particular app. So for example, if you take a look here, we have a plugin for OBS, for Twitch, for camera control, for shadow play by NVIDIA. Then you have icon packs, so CRT, Galaxy V2. Some of them are paid, most of these will also be free. The good ones will be paid, unfortunately. So you can have that. You can have different screensavers, so Space Invaders. As you can see, we have a bunch of them here. One is free as well. And then of course your profiles. So you can find so as these are profiles for the Stream Deck Neo, which is not bad. But yeah, essentially you get to choose between a bunch of different things. You can get different icons. So as you can see, this is the animated GIF pack that I already have. You can find Legion, wavelength icons, so on and so forth. This is also a really nice free icon pack with animated icons. You can find audio files, so you can find sound effects, musics, and presets for different buttons that you can map to. You can play audio on the Elgato buttons that we have. And then of course we have music and then screensavers. So using this with the Elgato, using your Stream Deck Neo with the Elgato marketplace can really enhance your overall user experience, allow you to integrate your Stream Deck with more apps, and basically take out its full functionality. A lot of this will come from actually using the Stream Deck and playing around with it, so you can figure out what you want and what works for you and what doesn't. So you will have to spend a little bit of time trying to get everything set up and everything customized to exactly how you like, but once you do, it really becomes a breeze to use. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if you have any thoughts on the video, and I'll be there talking to you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.